Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Allison and this is my life after 50. I just want to announce my daughter had a healthy baby boy last week and things are going along. I've been with her, so I haven't had much to video, but I had a subscriber ask me about some of the antique vintage birds that I showed in my last video, so I'm going to go back to those antique birds and show you about them. When I see a bird, I'm going to stop and I have to talk over the music, so hopefully I won't get a boot from YouTube. We have loud music in the back of our store, and I just did a refresh in my booth. Okay, I think this is what person was talking about, and I don't know enough about this, but it just says glass roosters. So we've got this blue one, and I just love how it's cut out with the heart. The eyes to me look like hearts. And then she has some wood, almost like resin-ish cement, green birds. And what else do we have here? Some really great wood bowls. I'm looking for some more. Got some chickens. Oh, look at the Raggedy Ann and Andes. I didn't see those. Got some owls. I love the crown. Nice owl. Sorry guys if I give you a headache. I'm just trying to read a price tag. Owl sitting branch porcelain bisque, $14.99. And over here, some cute things for the kitchen. I just love how some of these booths are decorated. There's some wooden birds. The handcrafted wooden things are really big right now. We seem to sell a lot of them, I should say. At least in this neck of the woods. This is pretty, like a turtle. Bug decor. It's really pretty, the detail in that. These little ashtrays. Set of 5 brass ashtrays. Interesting. All the things you find. Cook bottles. Dr. Pepper is really big down here because this is where Dr. Pepper was started. Oh, look at this owl cookie jar. Yep. Owl cookie jar. This vintage pig, duck. I should say this is vintage bear cookie jar. Got the rabbit, duck. Oh, the rooster has pretty colors. There's another rooster. With the pottery. Sugar and creamer, $14, a 3-piece set. Oh, look at this. Oh, I love those little pieces. I'm a little person. I am little. I'm only 5'4", but I love little pieces. I used to have a printer's drawer. I should have been more cognizant of it, but when I was younger, I collected little things, and I had a printer's drawer. This wooden duck is beautiful. Is it hand signed? Looks like somebody etched their initials or something in there. But wooden duck, $25. I have a match to something similar to that with a picture. A lot of kitchen gadgets, different colored handles, some old stuff. A sifter. All these lighters. Reminds me of my father. He always had a lighter on him. 29. Miller Brewing Company. Sorry, I'm not good with the video. Wow, she has some really cool things. I found, ooh. How much does she want for this? She only wants $25. Do you guys think I should buy it? Look how nice this is. What do you think? It's really in great condition. Sorry, I'm putting you right in the middle of it. It doesn't have any pegs on it, like to hold mugs. I just sold one, but it had pegs to hold mugs. Look at these pretty teacups. Miniature set in there. Dominoes. Oh, she has another one back here. 29. Firm. What do you think? She's some really nice. This is one of our newer vendors, I believe. I like the sign. He said I was delusional. I nearly fell off my unicorn. Very cute. Some great radios. I have some old pictures that nobody in my family knows who they are. And I have some old frames, so I'm considering putting them up for sale. So I don't know how that goes. What do you think about that? Put in the comments below what your thoughts are on selling old photos if you don't know who they are. Do you buy those? We sell them. When I'm up at the register, we sell them. What else do we have? See a lot of the wooden sculptures. Lots of wooden sculptures. I don't know. Pretty swan. Let's see. Coca-Cola, it's always big, but like I said, we're the home of Dr. Pepper here.
How are you?
Hi. Some old art. I have a gentleman that cuts out wood. Anyways, this is that dresser I was telling y'all about. And then, I love elephants. Look at those elephants. Aren't they grand? And then we're getting back into the radio. It gets loud, so I have to get loud. I hate it when that happens. This person has doll things and miniatures and bird metfall bind. Don't know. Teddy bears and dolls. My new grandchild is a boy. I've only had 3 girls, so no buying dollies, I guess. Gotta learn about buying cars. There's some beautiful swans. They are Lenox? Yep, Lenox swans. see, what else do we have here? Going back towards my booth. Make sure nobody stole my purse out of there, but I kept it buried. I love this register. So if I ever open my own store, I want to have one of these registers, just for the fun of it. Love the clock. Love the clock. See, there's more old pictures. Baby boots, everybody used to have those. Seems like I gotta keep away from other people so they don't think that I'm videotaping them. A lot of brass. Ooh, a throw vase. But the glass is green on the bottom, so. Vase, Fenton. Diamond rib. I don't know. I don't know if that would be. I don't know how that color works. I'm not up to date so much on my Fenton. I know about it. But I love this mailbox. I love all the box stuff. Beanie Bags. Oh, Raggedy Ann and Auntie. Raggedy Ann and Andy. Cups and saucers. And somebody has the Valentine's Day things out. Let's see, Coca-Cola. Look at those glass bottles. I still remember going to the store with my mom and having to take the bottles. And there's a pretty brooch, the napkin. It's pretty. Taking the bottles with my mom every week. It's pretty. I like how they did this. They put brooches with little napkins because my grandmother left me a bunch of napkins. And maybe I'll do that. I have brooches. I didn't know how I would sell the little handkerchiefs. That's what I was looking for, handkerchiefs. Oh, I got off topic. I had one of the printer drawers. In the printer drawer, I had all my miniatures in one garage sale before I got into antiquing. I'm like, I'm getting rid of this. And I got rid of it. And now that I know more about antiques, I'm like, I can't believe I owned one of those. It was big. Anyways, that's life, right? Stoneware. Francoma 5C. It's really heavy. Looks like they have all the pieces up there. And the dinnerware set. Very nice. So, let me go back to my booth. And that music is really loud by my booth, but it's a commercial and they're talking, so maybe I can get through without getting. So this is my booth. I have some different, I collect personally the Vaseline glass, and this yellow jar was actually, I didn't know it had Vaseline glass in it. I had somebody steal some of these jewelry jars that I had. Back there I have these martini and mixed glasses. You flip them over and it could be either or. I have a depression glass rooster, and then I have these Lenox pieces that I got on an estate sale. And I had this man, he was worked for Northrop, and they made one of the airline, it was their 50-year anniversary, and each card has a different plane on it. So I thought that was really cool. And then I love books, old books, and tins, and let's see, I have some original art my daughter did on her computer, and then I did with brooches, buttons, and pins on a piece of wood. And I got from a restaurant that was closing, where they had pictures. And what else? Love mugs. And what else do I have? I found an American Girl doll the other day, resale. These are the banana boats I found. I love these glass banana boats for banana splits. And I found this Pyrex in cranberry, a whole set. These are some of my Longabergers, just a few of what I have. I made the pillow. I do infusible inks. And then this is some of the jewelry that I've made. I don't know, just some of the different things. I made a ceramic book that I painted. And these are some of the, I love crystals. I did the infused glass. My friend has all the stuff to make glass in a kiln. And some Coke bottles. I made little mushroom out of resin. And the little guys, the stone guys.
Take your smile to the next level at Rodeo Dental. Our fun offices with arcade games and a movie theater ensure everyone has a great time. Our award-winning
I made this bell to look old, but it's actually a light, like a light fixture with an old finial on top, and I made some bells inside of it. And some old books. So right now I have a lot more to put in here, but that's what I have so far. Anyways, it's getting long here, and I don't want to keep you all up, but I promised that one viewer I would show some of the vintage birds that I found, and that's what I had. I hope you enjoy. Have a great day from North Texas, and stay warm wherever you are. Remember, don't give up, because I'm not giving up. This is my life after 50. This is Allison signing off. Remember, your life matters, and keep going, because I am. And hit the like, subscribe, and share button, because it really will help my channel grow, and that's what I need it to do right now. I'm up to 73 subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have something you want to see or talk about, I'd be glad to make a video about it. So thanks. Have a great week.